After a long day of driving, you're tired and hungry. With fewer and fewer good restaurants out there, what are your options? Fast food again? Something from the roller grill? Another cold sandwich? Hey, believe it or not, you can cook on the truck. Okay, it's not what Grandma would make, not a gourmet meal, but it'll be better, cheaper, and probably healthier than anything you can buy in the truck stop. And I'm here to show you how. Welcome to the Big Rig Cafe.
Hello, drivers. You hungry? Today we're making nachos. That's my favorite. That's the easiest thing to make on the truck. I can throw it together in a couple of minutes. There's like no mess to clean up afterwards, and it's so versatile. If you got some leftover chicken, maybe you had a rotisserie chicken the other day, or last weekend you were home and you barbecued and you had some chicken or maybe a steak or something, you got a little piece left, throw it on there. Okay, here's the basics. Start out with a paper plate so you don't have a mess. Okay, then you throw on some tortilla chips, easy to find. I always keep the basic ingredients of this on the truck because I eat nachos at least a couple of times a week. Shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, whatever you like, put it on there. Some sliced jalapeno peppers. If you don't like peppers, you don't have to put them on there. And here's the extras you can put on. Refried beans, diced tomatoes. You can use Rotel. That's something you can keep on the truck. It's canned. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can throw on some Rotel with green chilies. Not quite as spicy as jalapenos. After you bring it out, you can put on sour cream, avocados, black olives, any of those kind of things. So again, start out with the paper plate. Put your tortilla chips on there, the cheese on top of that, some jalapenos. You pop that dude in the microwave for however long it takes. You know, at home, it's like 45 seconds, but on the truck, probably a minute 15 or so. Play with it and see. You don't want to cook it too long because then it gets hard. Then you bring it out, you throw on the extra stuff like the black olives and the tomatoes if you want some sliced jalapeno or some sliced avocado. Put that on there and then enjoy. It's that simple. Then when you're done, put the plate in the trash. No mess to clean up. Nachos. Enjoy.
Thanks for joining me for dinner here in the Big Rig Cafe. Do you have a favorite dish that you prepare on the truck? Do you know of a great place to eat out there on the road that's still around? Any questions, suggestions, or comments? I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to catch me next week for another on-the-road dinner here in the Big Rig Cafe.